Ready? Be ready. Start. I am telling you, with good intentions only the amendment was brought in. It was passed just 1.5 years ago. We are watching the performance. We feel that this new amendment should be given a fair trial, and in the meanwhile, as the Honorable Member has stated, the sharing of the house is prevalent not only here in Delhi but in other metropolitan cities also. Every city has its own pattern regarding rental housing. So the Ministry of Urban Development has requested Human Settlement Management Institute to undertake studies regarding the mechanism of rent control and land in Delhi and to suggest specific amendments which will stimulate the rental housing and will protect the interests of both the landlords and tenants. Mr. Speaker, sir, at the time of passing the Rent Control Act by the Parliament, views of Delhi and other points were taken into consideration, and the form in which it was passed was quite the opposite of what was passed by the Metropolitan Council, which had constituted a select committee for this purpose. As you said just now that you have had consultations with all concerned parties, but it is against the wishes of the Delhiites. The act which has been passed here is just the opposite of the proposal which was received from Metropolitan Council. Does the central government propose to amend act suitably? I have already told the Honorable House that we are already evaluating the system. We want to give a fair trial to the amendment of 1988. The Honorable Member's suggestion will also be taken into account, and as I have already stated, the Human Settlement Management Institute is now undertaking a study. Naturally, all these ideas will be taken into account by us. I would like to request the Honorable Minister that he should consult the members of Parliament from Delhi before bringing any amendment to the Rent Control Act. It is a matter of great importance for a very large number of tenants who number about 9 million. It is very easy to talk about abolition of the Rent Control Act. It is very easy for somebody to come and say abolish it. Some people who represent the landlord lobbies easily talk about abolition of the Rent Control Act, which provides action. A balance has to be struck. We try to strike a balance. Mr. Khurana, I don't want to enter into an agreement with you. All his assertions are totally false. We try to strike a balance. When you bring forward any proposal, will you kindly care to consult Delhi MPs? We will definitely consult them. Without consulting Delhi MPs, how can we bring any legislation regarding Delhi? The Honorable Minister has very rightly said that as per one of the provisions of this act, the government servants and army personnel 1 year before they retire can give notice for vacation. To my knowledge, when I was in the Delhi administration ministry, hundreds of applications came. I want to know whether you are going to implement this part of the clause immediately. Otherwise, people retiring from their service cannot enter their homes. There are about 58 cases pending in the High Court and the Supreme Court, all regarding Section 14 B, C, D, that is immediate possession of occupation by the retired or retiring army personnel, central government servants, servants of the Delhi administration and their widows. So very soon we hope if decision is received from the Supreme Court, it will be helpful to the retired military personnel or retiring military personnel and other officers. Sir, already housing is a problem in the country, particularly in Delhi.